southwestern Gray, Maine has issued a snow squall warning for southwestern Knox County in south-central Maine, central York County in southwestern Maine, southeastern Androscoggin County in southwestern Maine, central Lincoln County in south-central Maine, southeastern Cumberland County in southwestern Maine, Saginaw County in south-central Maine, northeastern Stratford County in central New Hampshire until 9:45 a.m. Heading from 8 miles east of Gardiner to near Standish to Somersworth, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 between mile markers 1 and 43. Interstate 95 between mile markers 2 and 61. Locations impacted include Portland, South Portland, Biddeford, Brunswick, Westbrook, Kittery, Bath, Alfred, Damariscotta, Sanford, Topsham, Wiscasset, Cumberland, Saco, Gorham, Falmouth, Kennebec, Cape Elizabeth, Buxton, and Freeport. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Now for the official national